In a world where darkness ruled the night, a small firefly named Sparkle twinkled brightly, illuminating the path for others. Sparkle had a unique gift, a special kind of bioluminescent language that could light up the darkest of nights. But not everyone appreciated its beauty and usefulness. One day, a group of fireflies gathered around Sparkle, their eyes filled with envy. They taunted Sparkle, saying, "Why do you shine so brightly when we can't? Your light only highlights our insignificance." Sparkle, though saddened by their words, did not let it dampen her spirit. Instead, she saw this as an opportunity to teach them the true power of her light. She invited them to her home, a secluded glade filled with lush vegetation. As night fell, she showed them the darkness that surrounded them, the pitfalls and dangers that lurked in the shadows. "Look," she said, her light shining brilliantly, "I am the guide that helps you avoid these dangers. I am the beacon that keeps you safe." But the other fireflies, blinded by jealousy, refused to see the value in Sparkle's light. They continued to mock her, their words cutting deeper than the thorns in the forest. One night, a young and curious moth stumbled into the glade. She was lost and scared, her tiny wings beating frantically. Sparkle saw her plight and extended her light, guiding the moth safely out of the forest. The other fireflies watched in awe, their hearts softened by the sight. They realized that Sparkle's light was not just for her, but for everyone. From that day forward, the fireflies learned to appreciate Sparkle and her bioluminescent language. They understood that their own lights, though dim compared to Sparkle, were important in their own ways. And so, the forest became a place of unity and understanding, a testament to the power of light, no matter how small or bright. Moral: in a world where we often feel diminished by others, remember that everyone has a unique light to offer. Embrace your gifts, and use them to guide and help others. For in doing so, you become a beacon of hope, a light in the darkness.